What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day and staying safe. Protein shakes are usually made for those who want to build muscle and gain weight, but in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys 4 healthy and easy to make protein shakes that's great for weight loss. And it's tasty too. These 4 healthy and easy to make weight loss protein shakes are extremely high on protein. They keep you full for a very long time. And yeah, they're just delicious. So let's go ahead and dive into it. Please note that all these protein shakes do have protein powder in them. So if you want to substitute it with like Greek yogurt or any other things that are high on protein, you may. And as always, guys, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe if you guys haven't already. All right. Starting off with the first healthy protein shake. The first protein shake or smoothie here is a tropical one, and it's absolutely delicious. First, we're going to be putting a cup of skim milk, which has only about 80 calories and about 9 grams of protein. Then we're going to put 140 grams of frozen tropical fruits. These fruits include mango, pineapple, strawberries, and peach, and is absolutely delicious, extremely high on fiber, and really refreshing. This is about almost 70 calories, 1 gram of protein, 16 grams of carbs, and 3 grams of fiber, which is absolutely amazing because that's what's going to keep you full for a very long time. And not to mention, these are frozen. Frozen drinks just keeps you full far longer than just regular drinks. And last but not least, we're gonna put 1 scoop of strawberry protein powder, and this is about 120 calories with 24 grams of protein, which is absolutely madness. And overall, we're gonna go ahead and blend it. Once it's finished blending, it looks something like this, and the total calories you're getting here is about 269. And the total macros you're getting here is 34 grams of protein, 31 grams of carbs, 3 grams of fiber, and 1 gram of fats, and you should be full for about 2 to 3 hours. It's absolutely filling. It keeps you full for a very long time, and your body is gonna be at work trying to break down those calories and the frozen stuff, so you're gonna be burning some calories while you do it. So that's an amazing deal. The second protein shake here is something that I like to make on a regular basis because I'm a chocolate lover. It's a chocolate mousse protein shake or smoothie. So the first ingredient here is going to be a cup of whole milk as usual, but we're going to be putting 14 grams of oats in there, and this is about almost 60 calories, 2 grams of protein, 10 grams of carbs, 1 gram of fiber, 1 gram of fat. The oats does make it a little bit more thicker, more of a smoothie than a shake, but nonetheless, it's delicious and is full of nutrients, and overall it makes you feel like powerful afterwards. After that, I'm gonna put 1 scoop of chocolate mousse protein powder, which has 26 grams of protein, which is absolutely nuts, about 120 calories. And we're gonna finish it off with 1 teaspoon of peanut butter, and this is about 35 calories, 1 gram of protein, 1 gram of carbs, 3 grams of fats. Yeah, and that's it. There's nothing else after that. There's no fiber. We're gonna go ahead and blend it up. Make sure you blend it nice and well. Once it's finished blending, it looks something like this. And the total calories you get here is about 293. And the total macros you get here is 38 grams of protein, which is just mad, and 25 grams of carbs, 5 grams of fats, and 1 gram of fiber. This should keep you full for about 2 hours, which is honestly not bad. That is below 300 calories. So this is some good stuff. Moving on to the third shake, and this is very simple, very easy, and extremely delicious and keeps you full for a very long time. It's a strawberry protein shake or smoothie. We're gonna start off with the regular 250 millimeters of skim milk, which has 84 calories, 9 grams of protein, and we're gonna be putting 140 grams of frozen strawberry in here. Now this has about 60 calories, 1 gram of protein, 13 grams of carbs, and 3 grams of fiber. Strawberries are extremely high on vitamin C and great for antioxidants. So these are really healthy to have, and they're frozen, so they're gonna keep you full a whole lot longer. And at the end, we're gonna put 1 scoop of strawberry protein powder in there, and this is about 120 calories, 24 grams of protein, which is just crazy. Easy as that. We're gonna go ahead and blend it, and after that, it looks something like this, absolutely delicious. And the total calories you're getting here is 257, and total macros you're getting here is 35 grams of protein, 26 grams of carbs, 1 gram of fat, and 3 grams of fiber, and you should be full for a solid 3 hours. This one is just, 250 calories or 260 calories for 3 hours. That's just amazing. That's like, this is someone who's on weight loss. This is their dream shake, you know? So yeah, this is a very good shake, tasty, delicious, and keeps you full for a very, very long time. 3 hours. Moving on to the last meal, and this is also another favorite of mine because again, I love chocolate. I'm a chocolate addict. It's a chocolate smoothie or protein shake. We're gonna start off with 250 millimeters of skim milk as usual, and we're gonna put 1 frozen banana, which has 100 calories, 1 gram of protein, and 24 grams of carbs, a whopping 3 grams of fiber, And we're gonna be adding 1 scoop of chocolate whey protein, which is 120 calories and 26 grams of protein. We're gonna go ahead and mix it up. Once it's finished mixing, it should look something like this. Absolutely delicious and appetizing. Total calories you're getting here is 301, and the total macros you're getting here is 36 grams of protein, 37 grams of carbs, 1 gram of fat, and 3 grams of fiber. And you should be full for about 2 hours max. This one doesn't keep you full for that long, but it keeps you full for about an hour and a half to 2 hours. So these 4 protein shakes or smoothies are amazing for weight loss, and just, it's delicious. You can drink them all day. And like, you know what? It does take you a while to drink it, especially the frozen ones, the strawberry and the tropical ones. Because they are like smoothies, they are thick, they'll take you about 15 to 20 minutes to finish the whole thing, but you're full for about 2 to 3 hours, so that's amazing. If I had to pick which one is the best for weight loss, because I tried all of them, I would say the strawberry smoothie, because that keeps you full the longest. The second would be the tropical one. The third will be the chocolate mousse, and the last one will be the chocolate smoothie or protein shake. All these protein shakes are really good, delicious, and appetizing, extremely high on fiber, full of nutrients, and you're gonna be full for a very long time. And yeah, it avoids you from binge eating. And that's about it, guys. I recommend all of you guys to try these protein shakes and let me know in the comments below what you think, because it's honestly worth trying. They're so good and addicting. It's just really good. But if you guys are on a weight loss diet right now, check out these meal plans over here. Like for example, if you're on a 1200 calorie meal plan, a 1500 calorie meal plan, heck, even like an 1800 calorie meal plan, whatever you guys need, check these videos out or check out my channel to see what suits you. I have everything for everybody. So go ahead and do that. And guys, don't forget to subscribe. I will definitely see you guys in the next video. Peace.